The Mahatma Gandhi Central University in Bihar has opened 16 new centers of study in the last 12 months, 14 of them without the permission of its top decision making bodies. The Indian Express visited the Central University in Motihari to find that many of the new 16 centers do not have designated faculty. 5 are being run from the office spaces of teachers who are designated as center coordinators. 3 centers, inaugurated with much fanfare last month, were opened in small rooms with no facilities, not even furniture.
Mahatma Gandhi Central University Motihari has recently opened 16 centers, and 14 of these centers do not have mandatory approval from the university's highest body, Academic Council and Executive Council. And when we just try to find out the reality, we just found that they lack the basic infrastructure. They do not have devoted faculty. Of course, they have appointed coordinators for all of these centers, but these centers are still not in functioning stage.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Lokniti Shiksha Kendra, which is supposed to operate out of this 10 by 10 feet room, was once used as a kitchen storeroom space. However, besides a shiny inauguration plaque, the center did not have any infrastructure.
They opened 3 centers in their rented premises recently in October. That is called Chhatrapati Shivaji Lokniti Center. That comes under the School of Education. They have another center named after M. Visvesvaraya, and another center after Kasi Prasad Jaiswal. Chhatrapati Shivaji, it is Chhatrapati Shivaji Center, Lokniti Center. It opens in a kitchen come storeroom, 10 by 10 space. Of course, there is a shiny plaque over there at the entrance of the gate, but there is nothing inside, not even furniture. Kasi Prasad Jaiswal, again, it had a 14 by 10 feet space, empty space, just the plaque, nothing else. M. Visvesvaraya Center, it is opened in a space of 8 feet by 10 feet room. Again, it had no furniture, nothing in the name of a center of a study. As per the Central University Act 2009, there is a clear provision that if a central university wants to open a center of study, a department or a school, they have to first provide for it in its statute. For doing so, they have to seek again approval of its 2 highest lawmaking body, that is Academic Council and Executive Council. And then it goes to the first visitor, the President of India. When the President of India approves it, there is change in the statute. They can go ahead. Second step is the making of ordinances. That shows what the center aims to do. What is the scope? What is the objective? They will again, Academic Council will recommend it and Executive Council will approve it. It will be sent to the visitor, and once the visitor approves it, the ordinance is promulgated, and the last step is the publication of it in the Gazette notification. But in the case of Mahatma Gandhi Central University Motihari, they have sought approval. They have followed the due process only in case of 2 of the 16 centers. For 5 centers, they have sought approval from the Academic Council, but they were not ratified by the Executive Council. For the rest 9 centers, they have neither sought approval of AC. When they have not sought approval of AC, where is the question of seeking approval from the Executive Council? We had sent 3 emails to the university. We didn't get any response from it. Finally, when we visited Motihari, we spoke to the OSD administration, Rajiv Kumar. He said it's under process. It means that they will bring the matter before academic council and executive council. We asked him back, how is it possible that you will open the center, you open the center now, and then you will get the process done later? And then he just parried the question. Precisely, they didn't have any answer uh, to our queries. The central government also didn't respond to the email we sent. An officer said off the record that MGCU didn't intimate them about opening of the centers. Mahesh Sharma said that he had been aware of such things. He clearly said the violation of university rules by the current dispensation, and he also said that he had red flagged such matters, not precisely about the opening of these centers, but about the previous violations, previous lapses by the current dispensation to the President of India, also to the MHRD. But he also has not got any response so far.
Central universities are funded by the central government. Bihar has 2 central universities.
Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar had been demanding a central university ever since he came to power in 2005. And after a lot of persuasion, lot of pressure, Bihar got 2, not just one. One is at Gaya, CUSB, Central University of South Bihar, and that is second is MGCU. It holds great importance, but because there is no center of excellence in higher education Bihar. Prior to that, Central University not just aims at giving degrees of masters, but it's all about more about the research. Even MGCU right now, they have 350 scholars. Mahatma Gandhi Central University is not new to controversy. There had been controversy during the previous VC, Mr. Agarwal, and even during the present VC, Sanjeev Kumar Sharma, controversy regarding his degrees. And university teachers had been, some university teachers had been saying, even Chancellor Mr. Sharma, he said there had been some 27 complaints against the current VC, but no action had been taken.